Yeah, just absolutely, the craftsmanship and design is absolutely beautiful on these. Hello folks, welcome to NetCruiser Tech. I have a new product here for you from Keyway Designs, and they make the nicest phone cases I've ever seen in my life. These are amazing. They design them for all iPhones, all modern iPhones, and they're made out of wood and metal. This one is an all wood design. This one is the cross country. Beautiful. Let's get it open. Here's the packaging. Keyway designed case, hand assembled with premium inlays, scratch resistant finish, soft touch, TPU polycarbonate shell, and protect without sacrificing style, keep it classy. So the other thing is that this is hand built in Toronto. They design them and they build them in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, which is really awesome. I have two designs that I'm going to show you. This is the first one. This is one that I have not opened yet. I wanted to go through the full unboxing experience. So let me get this open. And this folds open like this. This, and then it's attached here. Now here's some insert information. Thank you for your purchase. If you take a photo with your case and tag it My Keyway, you could be featured and entered in a custom draw, and there's their social media information. So here is the case. This is like a matte texture, and it looks like it has some pinholes that align the actual design. Now, when they say it's TPU and polycarbonate, that's something that I wanted to show. So the actual outside of the case is half matte and half glossy, which is interesting. And then they all have this really nice grip. The texture is really good. And then it is above the lock button too. Now here is the design. So it's all real wood, all inlaid. And if you buy a design that has metal in it, then it's real metal inlay as well. Yeah, just absolutely, the craftsmanship and design is absolutely beautiful on these. And I mean, this one is extra special to me because I do own a VW bus. It's not this era of bus, but I do have a Vanagon. So yeah, really, really awesome. So let me pop my phone in this, and I'll show you what it's like. Now this one is designed for iPhone 6s, but they make them for 5, 6, 7, 8, and X, and all variants of that. All buttons are covered with rubber. So you have volume up, volume down, lock screen, nothing on the top. Bottom has the cutout. So for this one, it does have the headphone jack cutout, a lightning cutout, and speaker. Let me pop my phone in, and I'll show you what that's like. Here is my iPhone outside of its case. I do have a clear skin on the back, but it's fine. It doesn't interfere with anything. So yeah, you just put it in your case normally. You want to put buttons in, slide it in, pop it in just like that. There we go. Beautiful, beautiful design. There is a slight lip. Yeah, there you can see it. It sits about 1 millimeter or 2 off of the glass, so it does have a lay flat design, which is great. Since the front of the case is glossy, it actually fits with the black design quite nice. It blends in very well. I think that over the years, the cutout for the camera has gotten slightly bigger as the new phone generations get slightly bigger cameras. I don't know, I'm speculating here, but I don't like that antenna line is exposed. For me, it's not a big deal because I do have a clear skin on, which you might be able to see. You can see how I have a skin around it. So, but if you had that fully exposed, you know, that is a little bit of an issue where that could get scratched. That's really one of my only nitpicks for the design, is that the camera cutout is a little bit big on iPhone 6, 6S series. The buttons, I like the volume. Volume up and down is good. The switch for mute and stuff is exposed. The lock screen, the lock switch takes a little bit of getting used to because it is in between these two textured grips. And when I first started using the case, I always kept trying to press on the upper grip. Now that's just a bit of a muscle memory. Once you get used to it, you can slide your finger up and you know that in between the two grip areas is where your lock screen is. Let me show you the other case design that I got. This is called the Model K1. and it's designed after a vintage camera. So that is fantastic. If you like cameras, if you like vintage design stuff, this is absolutely beautiful. And it's that same real wood with real metal inlay. Very unique and detailed style. I like that little red piece. That's a separate piece. Design details are fantastic. Keyway zoom lens, lens made in Canada. Just absolutely beautiful. And I've been using this case for well over a week, and it is held up perfectly. I am fairly easy on my cases, but I just wanted to show you that. So here are the two cases that I got, as well as Keyway Designs makes a lot of different designs. So check out www.keywaydesigns.com/netcruiser. If you put in the discount code in checkout, you'll get 15% off your order. I truly do think that these are absolutely beautiful cases. So check them out. They have a lot of different designs. I'll probably put a screenshot in going through the website, just show you some of the other designs that they have. Beautiful. All right. Thanks for watching.